Okay guys, these ones I just wanted to show you kind of how I was going to set up the look and feel. I'm working with what I had in the past. This is a black and white photo of me. I think I want to use my face as obviously the journey. I want to keep it human. I want to keep it real, the real thing. So it makes sense to have that. This is a photo that I had on the archives from when I was in Blue Melon doing all this fun stuff. So we did this photo shoot and I'm just repurposing that. Saves me time and cost as well. This is the headings that I'm going to be using. A founder's reset, the messy reality of reinvention, and that's because of the handles that were available. I've got a little section for the thumbnail that I could use for all the channels. Bit of an initial color palette. These may change in the future. This is just done all super quick today. And a bit of a file here with the banner for YouTube, and you have the pink stroke is the desktop saves area, and the yellow one it's the mobile save area. So I just put them there so when I'm designing or when you're creating your image, you know that you're customizing for the right sizes and the important information it's seen on the devices that you are prioritizing. So I'll show you how it looks finished in a second. Okay, so this is where I landed. I did the little thumbnail using my image, applying a bit of a background color. I make sure that you can see that my face, the title and things are within the yellow box, which is the mobile save zone. And then I just added some little decoration to make sure it looked a bit more dynamic. The only thing you can do is turn these off, and then I'm going to export them. And then I'm gonna save them into the channels and see how they look. So that's it, pretty easy. Ta-da! I'm not sure if this part is useful, but I just went into YouTube Studio, and then you go to channel customization. You've got a banner image there. It gives you a bit of a super quick preview. Then your thumbnail. Once you publish it, you can look at your channel. You can see how slowly it starts to look like a little bit branded. We started to have a bit of a feeling now where this is going, and I'm pretty happy. So we'll see how it goes.